Yeah, good evening all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not? Yes,
Yes, it's clear.
fine. So whenever we install Python, right? Yes, just go to the start programs. Within the all apps, you can see where this Python is available. Otherwise, in the search panel, type IDLE, Integrated Development Learning Environment, right? You will get a Python 3.12. Once your Python is installed, ideally integrated development learning environment, Python shell gets opened in this way, right? So here you will get in interactive mode. You can interact with Python, right, with any statements, but I want to work with batch mode. I want to create a .py file. File, save. File, new file you say first. File, new file you say, right. And write your code here and execute the code here itself, right? Running and executing. Here run option is there. Write your code, save it by using .py and run here. Run module, run module, right here. Today I'll be discussing about string. Yes, string. A string. A string is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented. A string is represented, right, using single. See, this is hash symbol. It's a comment in Python. It's not executable. So if you're keeping anything starting with hash, it is a comment. A string is represented using single quote. Yes. String is represented using single quote, double quote, and triple quote. Using double quote and a triple quote. String is represented using single quote, double quote, and triple quote. See, for example, city equal to Hyderabad. City equal to Hyderabad, right? Sequence collection of characters. For a single word or line, for a single line or word, you go for single quote or double quote. For multiple lines, right? For a paragraph, you can go for triple quote. Each character within a string, is represented or accessed by a unique index. Each character, if you want to access any character from the string, we have got index for it. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. First is like forward index or positive index. Forward index or positive index. Index starts from left to right. And index starts with 0. Forward index or positive index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. And backward index or negative index. Index starts from right to left. Index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Index starts with 0. Index starts with -1. Forward index or positive index starts from left to right. Backward index or negative starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Just observe this diagram, right? Yes. X equal to Python within double quotes. So representing anything in double quotes, it's a string. Okay. So Python, an object will be created. Yes. Python is going to have some address. The address is given to X. Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we call it like a positive index. Positive index or forward index. As forward index, right? Yes. Negative index also supported -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is negative index or backward index. Negative index or backward index. You can go with any indexes. X is the string name. If I want to access the second character within the string, x of 2, try to answer what is that x of 2 value? Yes. T. X of 2 value is T. X of -2 value. O. Oh, okay. It means ask already we got positive index. Why again negative index is required? Means if you have got a very big string of more than 100 characters, if you want to access the last character, right? Mm. What is that? If you want to access the last character using positive index, it is too difficult. You can just say x of -1 returns the last character, right? Yes. Yes. Now just observe this. Yes. Forward index or backward index. So if you want to comment this multiple lines of string, single line comment starting with has, multi-line comment, just keep everything within triple quote, and this also end with triple quote. It won't be executed. Now x equal to Python. Print x. Prints Python. Type of x, what data type it is? str type, string type. Print len of x. Len of x means number of characters. Len of x returns the number of characters within this. Print x. Type of x is string type. Len of x, number of characters within the string. Right. Observe this. I have created a separate folder. Any name with .py extension. Right. Run this. Run module. Print x prints Python. Type of x, class string. Len of x, 6. Number of characters within the string. Next, y equal to programming. Y equal to programming. Print x plus y. Print x plus y means we call this as concatenation. Concatenation means adding two strings. Adding two strings. Adding two strings, nothing but first string followed by second string. First string followed by second string. Yes. X equal to Python, Y equal to programming, Python plus programming, Python programming, right? Concatenation, adding two strings. Yes. Observe this output, run module. Python programming. I want space between Python and programming, right? So Python programming, concatenating means adding the two strings, first string followed by second string. I want space between these two. X plus space plus Y. Yes. Python programming. What is that? Python programming, right? It's okay, fine. 1 second. That is what. Next is string slicing. String slicing, extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. Uh, Extracting particular portion of a string. X equal to Python program. X equal to Python program, right? Yes. X equal to Python program. Now extract only Python from this or print only Python from this. Yes. Printing only Python from this, right? Print X is the string name. X is the string name. I want 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 5, right? So X of 0 to 6 I need to provide. This is lower bound. This is upper bound. Always upper bound excluded. Writing comment for your understanding. Always upper bound is excluded. See, for example, if you have taken 5 here, then n should have been excluded, right? Observe this str. Python, Python, what is? Okay, Python. Now I want to extract the middle portion of the string. For example, I want to extract, I want to extract or print only these 4 characters, right? Try to respond, right, everyone? Yes. Try to say from start index to from where to where.
X x of 7 uh, is to 10.
What is it? Print x of
7
7 colon
is 11.
11, exactly. So here even this space is going to take one index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start with 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10 you want. So provide 11. 11 excluded, up to 10 it will consider PROG. PROG. Okay. Print X of, if I say 11 to 7 in the opposite way, 11 to 7, 7 to 11, okay, PROG. But if I say 11 to 7 means you will get empty string. You will get empty string. Empty string means because always slicing in the forward direction, slicing in the forward direction. If you go in backward, 11 to 7 means you are going in the backward, right? Empty string you get. Empty string you get. Run module. Empty string you got, right? Yes, empty string. Can you see this empty string, right? Yes. Yes. If you go in backward direction, you get empty string. Next, for example, extract PROG using negative index. Extract PROG using negative index. No? Yes. Everyone, try to unmute yourself and try to give your responses. Want the sessions to be interactive, right? PROG using negative index.
X of -1 to -5.
-1 to -5, right? You are going in
No,
back.
-1 to 5. Right.
-1 to, you are going in backward direction. Using negative index also, you should go in forward direction only.
So -11 to -7.
Okay.
Yeah, someone said that print X of, yes.
-11 to -7.
This is -1, this is -2, this is -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Start with -7. -7 you want, -6 you want. See forward direction. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want. I need to go -3. -3 excludes, up to -4 it will consider. PROG will be the output, right? Yes. PROG is the output. Yes. Extract. For example, extract the entire word program, right? Yes. Print X of. Try to say the word entire word program using positive index. Everyone try to respond, right?
-7 to 0.
-7. Okay. No, using positive index, you say me first, everyone. Using positive index, yes.
7 to 14.
Yeah, 7 colon.
14.
Yeah. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If I give 13, 13 excludes, right? M, you won't get M. Can I give 14?
Yes.
Yes. because I'm not axing 14, it is excluded up to 13 only it will consider. Or shortcut to this, print x of 7 colon, don't provide the upper bound up to the end of the string. It reads from seventh index to end of the string. Both results the same output, right? Program. Yes. Any queries here? You can ask your query through voice or through chat. Yes. Next, using negative index, right? Try to say, someone was saying, right? Using negative index.
-7 to 0, I was saying.
Minus,
-7
yes,
to 0.
0 means this p, right? Positive index.
Okay. Okay, then -1
No,
in
blank.
minus. Okay, blank.
Blank,
Okay.
right? Okay, if you give -1, this m will be excluded. So
Yes.
-7 to don't provide this. This gives that. All right. Yes. Program. These three statements results the same. For example, if I'm ignoring this lower bound in this way, I'm not giving this lower bound, 6 I'm providing. Is it valid? Not providing this lower bound, 6 I have given. What is the output? Everyone.
Python.
Yeah, Python. This and this both are same, right? If you're not giving the lower bound, by default, it starts from the start index 0 index to 6 excluded up to 5. This and this both with prints Python. What if I ignore both lower and upper bounds? Both lower and upper bounds are ignored, right? Yes. What is the output you get for this?
Complete string.
Start of the string to end of the string. Entire string will be printed, right? Is that compulsory to use spaces here? Is it compulsory to use spaces here?
I think yes.
I think no.
Yes. X of no need to give that spaces. This is also fine. Print of X, this and this both are same. Or print X also fine, right? Print X. Last 4 statements results the same output. This last 4 statements results the same output. This one. Four statements results the same output, right? What is that? Entire string Python program. Python program will be printed. Yes. Print. Can I use that combination of negative or positive index? -7 to 11, is it valid? Can I use the combination of negative index and positive index? Is it valid? -7 means P. 11 means R. -7 means this. 11 means R. From here, what is the output? PROG. You are going in the forward direction only, right? Yes. PROG. Yes. -7 is this. 11 is this. So -7 to 11 is. Yes, next. Print x of 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. So what is this? First one we call like start value. Second we call it like stop value, start value, stop value, and last is step value. So 0 to 14 with the increment of 2 means 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index, 10 index, 12 index, only this matters. Okay. Start value, stop value, and step value. 0 index means this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Run module, right? What is it? Only the even indexed. Similar to this, right? Yes. Print x of colon 2. The same thing, right? Same like the previous one. 0 to 14 are this with the increment of 2. Both results the same output. And see the last one. Print x of colon means entire string with the decrement means it reverses. What is this? It reverses the string. Yes, string in the reversed order. -1. Python program. What is that? Python program, right? Yes. Next, you have heard about the word palindrome? Yes, have you heard about the word palindrome, right? Anyone? Palindrome. What is palindrome? If we reverse a string, if we reverse a string, if we get the same string, it is a palindrome, right? If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, it is a palindrome. Example of palindrome. Example.
Madam,
Yes, MADAM. If you reverse also, you will get the same thing. Malayalam. Malayalam. If you reverse also, you will get the same thing, right? Yes. EYE, DAD, NITIN. Race score. Okay, all this. For example, x equal to, if I'm taking a string, madam, right? Print x, it prints this string. But if you reverse it, x of colon -1, right? You know how to reverse it and store this output in a variable y. Print y, print x, print y, both are same, right? So if you reverse also, if you're getting the same string, say palindrome, right? Madam, right? Yes. So we no need to write huge codings in Python. We have got many inbuilt methods, functions available, right? So I'll be discussing one by one methods provided by strings. String methods. First, upper. To print in uppercase. To print in uppercase, right? Yes. X equal to Python. So otherwise, X equal to, for example, Hyderabad. Print it in uppercase. X dot upper. Everything in uppercase. Check this output. Right. X dot upper, printing everything in the uppercase. Hyderabad. Lower. To print in the lower case. To print in the lower case. For example, X equal to Mumbai. Print X dot lower. Run module. Mumbai was in uppercase, it's printing in lowercase. Next, for example, India. I want only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. For that, capitalize. I got a method like capitalize, which capitalizes only the first character. Only the first character in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower, right? What is that? See this output once again, right? Run module, check this. India, only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. What is it? Capitalize. For capitalizing the first character. Next, for example, I got good evening. How many words are this? How many words in this string? In this string, how many words? 3 words, right? Each and every word, first character I want in uppercase. G I want in uppercase. E I want in upper. H I want in uppercase. So if I use capitalize, only G will be in uppercase. So for that, I want each and every word means X dot title. We have got one more method called title. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase. G. Evening, E in uppercase. Hyderabad, H in uppercase, right? Every word, first character in the uppercase. The method is title. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. For capitalize for capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. Okay. Run. Okay. Next, for example, one more example. EMPS equal to Ajay, Rohit, Miller, Blake, Rahul, James. So in this way, hundreds of employee names you got. Hundreds of employee names. Each and every employee name, first character I want in uppercase. Every employee name, first character in the employee, right? EMPS dot title. EMPS dot title, right? Every word, first character Ajay A, Rohit R, Miller M, Blake B, Rahul R, James J, right? Yes. Next. Okay. Next, swap case. We have got one more method called swap case. Once again, check this output of the previous one, right? Each and every word, first character in the uppercase, Ajay, Rohit or Miller M in uppercase, Blake B. Swap case. For converting one case to another case. For converting one case to another case. One case to another case. X equal to, for example, you got good evening Hyderabad. Good evening Hyderabad, right? So print X dot swap case. If it is in upper, converts to lower. If it is in lower, converts to upper. It just reverses the case, right? Case lower to upper. Yes, it was in lower, converts to upper. Next, we have got one more method. A replace. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. X equal to, yes, I'm saying Java is easy. Print X is the string. X is the string. X dot replace the word Java with Python. What is output you get? Python is easy. Run module. What is it? You get Python is easy. For example, Java is easy and Java is simple. For example, multiple occurrence of Java. Multiple occurrence of Java. Do you think each and every occurrence of Java will it replace with Python or only the first occurred Java?
All the occurrences?
Yeah, it's all the occurrences of Java will replace with Python. Python is easy and Python is simple, right? Next. We have got a method, right? Count. To count the number of occurrences. To count the number of occurrences of a substring or a character. To count the number of occurrences of a substring or a character, right? Yes. X equal to, you got a string, hello, 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 right? Hello, hello, hello. Just a normal string. X dot count of a particular word of count of hello, right? It returns 3. It returns 3. I want a particular character, count of a particular character. X dot count of a particular character H. Count of hello is Count of hello is 3. Count of this character H is 4. Run this run module. Count of hello is 3. Count of the character H is 4. For example, I'll take a multiple line string, a paragraph I take. Data, I'll bring some data, right? A paragraph. Yes, check this if you got some paragraph. So within the C drive, right, I'll bring some data. There is a folder like data folder, right? So here I got some data. Python is simple. Python is user friendly. Python supports interactive mode. Here I got some data. This data I'm bringing, right? So if you are using double quotes, see, Python provides different colors for different functionalities. For comments, red color. For strings, green color. For inbuilt functions like print, violet color. And for keywords in orange color. But if you observe this is string, okay, in green color. But as you given double quotes, only single line appearing in green color. So double quotes is for single line string. For multi-line string, go for triple quote. If I give triple quote, everything appears in green color, right? Check this. Triple quote and with triple quote. So this is multiple lines of string. If a paragraph, we can data, right? Now I want the count of Python in this printer. Yes. Data is the string name. In that I want a count of this particular Python. I want count of Python. What is the count of Python in this? In each line you got Python, so the count will be 10. Count of this will be 10. For example, if I say like in this way, print data dot count of Python in lowercase. It gives what is the count? 0. Python is case sensitive. Uppercase, lowercase is taken differently. So all this Python starting with uppercase P. But here you want to count of this Python, it gives 0. The count is 0. But I want the count of Python in this case. So here print first data dot everything you convert to lowercase first. Everything into lowercase. And on that output, whatever in lowercase, apply count of Python, right? Everything in lowercase count. Now it will give, yes, you can also apply two methods like this. First converting to lowercase, next applying the counter. Yes, count of Python is 10. 10, right? Yes. Counter. Next, we have got a method like strip. Strip. For removing the blank spaces, for removing the, yes, strip method. For removing the blank spaces before and after the string. Before and after the string. For removing the blank spaces before and after the string, x equal to, yes. For example, strip method. Before and after the string. For example, I got some blank space like this. Good evening, Hyderabad. I got blank space before and after. So this much of blank space before and this much of blank space after, right? Yes. So what is the index of G? It is not a 0. Somewhere it will be 8 or 9, right? Every blank space will take an index. Here also negative index. This is not -1, right? So you cannot perform indexing and slicing. So first, what is the length x comma length of x? Length of x including the blank spaces. Now x dot strip, that's it. Strip method removes all the blank spaces before and after only, not in the middle of the string. We'll remove the blank space before and after the string, right? And store this in the output y. Now say print y comma len of y. Print y comma len of y. It results. Run module. Check this. Yes. So previously this was length was 49. Now it became 22. Nearly 27 blank spaces removed before and after the string, right? Grab, case, replace, count, the strip. In this way, we've got many other methods. We have got many more methods. I'll be discussing in the tomorrow session. I'll be continuing it tomorrow, right? Like find method, join method, starts with, ends with. Okay, fine. So I was discussing about string indexing, string slicing, string methods. Fine. So as I said, right, tomorrow the link will be changing. Everyone need to get enrolled to get the new link, right? To your mail IDs, right? The details is shared by the online team in the chat panel, right? They have shared that course content for this Python. They have shared the course content for the entire Python full stack and also the videos what we have seen till today, right? The videos you can see, and for Python it is 6,000 is that fee, and for full stack it is 12,000, which includes Python core advanced and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, that is web development, and Django framework and REST API and a project, right? For any concerns, you can see the contact details of that online team. They'll provide that link for tomorrow's in your email. By tomorrow afternoon, you'll be getting the mail, right? New mail. And don't forget to share the screenshot of your payment to that mail ID provided, DURGASOFT online training @gmail.com. So various details, the phone details, the Google Pay or Phone Pay details are shared, right? Yes. Any other queries you have got, right? I want the sessions more interactive, right? Right. Everyone need to respond. Whether your answers are correct or wrong, right? You need to keep responding. I want the sessions more interactive. Yes. Tomorrow a WhatsApp group is going to be created. Everyone, you will be added to the WhatsApp group in the tomorrow session. And from tomorrow, you'll be getting that videos to your Google Drive. You can check in your Google Drive for the videos. Notes also, whatever, see whatever I'm typing here, this notes, everything, right? In a neat format with comments. You'll be getting the notes from tomorrow. Videos you'll be getting, WhatsApp group, and assignments and tasks will be provided, right? You can see the course content. It's lengthy, right? We'll be discussing in brief with many working examples. Fine. So I said I'll also discuss different modules like data science related, big data related, operating system related, database related, graphics related modules will be discussed. Yes. And any queries from your side, anyone? Right. And duration of this Python 70 hours, 2 months duration, and full stack Python it is 4 months, like nearly 120 to 130 hours, right? If anyone wants to go parallelly, right, Monday to Friday Python sessions, Saturday, Sunday, there are weekend batches for web development, right? You can go parallelly. Day after tomorrow on Saturday, right? Morning 7 o'clock. There is a new web development batch starting, right? Means it doesn't require any Python first initially, right? By HTML, CSS, JavaScript will be discussed first. Those who have got enrolled for full stack, or even if you're not enrolled, this week you can attend, right? Saturday and Sunday. But for tomorrow's Python session, the link will be changing. You need to enroll, right? Fine. Any other queries? Yes, anyone? The timing of this batch, I said, right? For the next 3-4 days, it will be at 7 o'clock. Later, it starts at 8 o'clock in the evening, right? 8 p.m. in the evening itself, right? As a request made by the students. Yeah. So if I'm done with your queries, right, I'll sign off for now. Meet you tomorrow. Yes, at 7 p.m. Yes, fine. Thank you all for your time. Thank you.